Export weights. Oh yeah, that's why we can do it. We couldn't export it before. So let's do this. Let's do it the other way. So if we go to rigging, skin, we can go to copy vertex weights, copy skin weights. Skin. We can do, if we go to skin, you can do copy skin weights. Copy skin weights. Oh, really? Must be a source. This is skin. Copy vertex weights. Let's see if we do vertex weighting. So if we do vertex, we do this. Joints. Vertex. Or maybe we just need to bring the other, reference the other mesh in, copy, paste, and then that's it. But so we go to skin. We can go to copy vertex weights. Copy vertex weight. Too many things selected. All right. So now that we know it's number 5, we need to bring in number 5. So to do that, let's close this. Let's reference it into our main scene and see if we can do a copy paste there that way. All right, so let's reference editor. We're going to bring in our number 5 skin file. We're going to reference that in. All right, let's go to our outliner. All right, they both should be in here. All right, there's number 5. So we want to take our skin here and then take our skin there, and we want to copy skin weights. All right, so now let's undo our reference, remove our reference. Our file is still clean. Let's move our character's leg around to see if it copied over to skin weights. It did. So that's what we want to do. Do we still have control over things here? Do we still have our breastbone? We do. All right, that's what we want to do. So that's problem solving. So we have it. Let's save this file just in case. So save as. This is going to be our skin number 7 file. Again, this has our updated skinning. We're talking about saving the last 3 hours worth of work here. So this is what you do at work, because you got to go. You're going to take the time to do this, to learn how to problem solve, learn how to do this, because you may not have 3 hours. You may not have the time to go back and do that 3 hours over. And this is where you're growing. This is where you're learning. All the stuff that I'm showing you right now, I'm not editing this stuff out. This is stuff you deal with, And so we're still going down that path. I need to make sure I can skin to the breastbone. If we can, then everything's good. We didn't lose any work. We added what we wanted. We're still on track. We're good to go. So what I need to do now is we want to go right breast, left breast. All right. No influence vertices for that joint. Okay. Let's go to our vertex. Ooh. Let's look at our stuff. All right, good. That's good. Let's save that. Spine 1. It's looking good. That looks the same. Spine 2. All right, spine 3. All right, we knew the shoulders were going to be the same. I already brought that up to you. breast R. Okay, so let's try this. Let's select some verts. This is our right breast. Let's select these verts right here. Let's go back to this mode. I just want to get this whole ring first. That's fine. All right, so we want to do these actually to breast R1. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That is what we're looking for to happen. All right. So let's get this on the left one. Looking good. Let's go back and change our spine 3 since we know we want to change that, and let's get that saved so that's in our file. There's our spine 3. We need to put that to the clavicle. We saw what it looks like when you put the arm up, it just brings it in. So let's put that to the clavicle, and we can always change it. So let's go back to wireframe. We know we need this and this. And we're going to say that's going to go to this is our right clavicle. 1. Let's go back to our spine 3. And this should actually be 1. So I don't know why I did the 19.999. All right, so we know we want to change this right here, these ones, and this one, and that's going to go to our left clavicle. And we're back on our spine 3. All right, that's looking good. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, it's a good start. We know where we are with this. Let's save this now. Object mode. I want to save it with this turned back on and that turned off. All right, and so we want to do save over number 7 again. Another cool thing, so we can use our other tool, if we don't want to do the range of motion again, we can copy the range of motion animation, put it in our studio library, take it out of our studio library, and put it on this character, and you don't have to redo that over. So let's do that. But let's first see if the breasts actually rotate. So we want to show joints are showed. Do this, select this, go back to where you can see the mesh, rotate. There you go. So we need to blend this so it blends better and it's smoother. But our joints work for it, so that's awesome. It looks like there's something messed up on the left one, so let's look at that right quick. Yeah, so left breast, select. Yeah, we missed 2 joints, or 2 vertices. Let's actually play around. Well, we're gonna do our blending. I guess we can just do our blending, and then we can just mess around with that with our blending too. Again, let's save this again. And let's get our animation off, let's blend it, and then we should be good. Save. And then we can at least get our joints blended a little bit better. Let's open up another Maya. I think that was 6 that we saved that in, I hope. Now we're just gonna open up Maya to see if we can get back to our file that we had that had the range of motion saved on it. I think I saved it. If not, we can just recreate it, but let's check and see. So I think it's going to be number 6 because we already saved over number 7. So let's see if number 6 had the, I don't think it did though, because I think we were just saving everything on 7, which is fine. And we can just go back and we can just do our range of motion over. Yep. All right. So we can close this. It's not on there. All right. So let's do our range of motion over real quick. We can do it as we go. So let's work on the legs. And now what we're going to be working on is blending the joints. So we're going to work on the legs. We're going to do the knee, the ankle, and the hips, and the ball of the feet for one of our legs. So you can pick whichever leg you want to work with. Let's go and set some keys. Our joints are good. Let's see. All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to set a key here. We want to rotate up like that. Oops, not on 0. Let's go out like 15 frames. Let's go out 15 frames. So we get a nice range of motion when we go back. So we set a key. Select this, the knee, put it down, set a key. It'd be nice to set a key on 0 first. So set a key on that for 0, and then set a key on the ankle too while we're at it. And then go to 15. Set a key. So what we did was we selected all the joints on frame 0, set a key for everything in its base pose. So select, set a key. Go to frame 15, rotate the thigh up, set a key, rotate the knee down, set a key, rotate the ankle down, set a key. Right? So this is what you'll get. So now from there, let's set a frame 30. Let's put the leg back. Let's put this hyperextend a little bit. Move it back a little bit more. And let's put the foot up. Then on frame 50, let's copy, frame, joint, and joint. So we got all 3 of our joints again. We're going to do right-click, copy, and then go on 50, right-click, paste. And now what we want to do is we're going to copy the base key. So now the leg is back down to be normal. We're going to go out to frame 70. And we just want to select the thigh, and we want to move the thigh out. Just like that. All right. Once we have that, set a key. And then go select 0 again, and we're going to put this copied key on frame 80. Paste. There we go. All right. Good. So we're going to start working on this. And I don't think we need to use paint weights for it. I think because of the topology, we can just use the vertex editor. We can use paint weights if we need to, but for now, we're not going to use it. So let's go to our first pose. Or you know what? Crap, we might use it because it's going to make this a lot easier right here on the hips. But on the knees, I don't think it's necessary. So that's why, use paint weight where necessary. All right, so select this. Let's go to our vertices. Go to our calf R, select what's there. This should really be a 1. So yeah, see this didn't get done correctly. So let's hide our joints again so we don't have selection issues. There should be 1 to the thigh, to calf R. Boop. There you go. This all looks pretty good up here. Reason why I don't think we need to use